Good morning everyone. So yesterday we have started second bit. So we will continue that. Third one and second one I gave you as homework. It is 18.49. So now third one is 68.89. So for this we have to find the square root. So by using division method we will find the square root. What they are given 68.89 solution. So what we have to do, we have to find the square root of 68.89. So by using which method we are doing? We are doing division method. 68.89. So first what we have to do, first write the square values. 1 square is 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 49, 8 square 64, 9 square is 81, 10 square is 100. So only in this division method only we will use the square numbers. So first what we have to do, we have to pair the values from right side. Every two numbers will be equals to one pair. 89 is one pair and 68 is other pair. So here 68 is not there. So which number we have to take? Less than 68 value we have to take. That is 64. So that is how much? 8 square. So 8 8s are 64. Subtract this. 68 minus 64 will be 4.89. So full pair and bring it down here. So now double this value, that is how much? 16. So if you double the 8, that will be equals to 16. So what is the last digit here? 9. So where you are seeing the 9 value? In case of 3 square is unit digit is 9. In the same way, in case of 7 square, the unit digit is 9. So the answer will lie between 3 square and 7 square only. So which one shall we take? So first I am taking here, I am applying 3 square. So 163, 3 size how much you will see? Into 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 6 are 18, that will be 489. So you got here 489. So 163 3s are 489. So do subtraction, you got the remainder as 0. So after how many pairs you are having the point? After one pair you are having the point. So after one digit you have to keep the point. So what is the result here? 8.3. So what is the square root of 68.89? 68.89 is equals to 8.3. So 8.3 into 8.3 will be equals to 68.89. So second one is last one in this. So last one is, so what is that fourth one? 84.64. So for this value we have to find the square root. So solution, given square root of 84.64. So by using the division method we are solving, that is 84.64. So only we have to use the square numbers. So first pair the values. First pair, second pair. So what you got here? 84. Less than 84 value is how much? 81. So we will apply here 9. 9s are 81. So 3. Bring this full pair down. That will be 364. Now double this 9. That will be 18. So what is the last digit here? 4. So in this all squares where you are seeing the 4? In the form of 2 square. 2 square is 4. And also in the form of 8 square. 8 square is 64. The unit place is 4. So the answer will lie between 2 square or 8 square. So we will check here. So I am taking it as 2 first. 2 square I am taking 182. 2s are. So what is 182? 2s are 6 are 36 we will take. So subtract this. It will be 8 here. Bring this whole number down. That is 89. Full pair you bring down here. 89 is one pair, other pair is 44. So what is the number? 8, 8, 9. So double this 6 now. What is the double of 6? 12. What is the last digit here? 9. So that means it will lie between, the answer will lie between 3 square that is equals to 9 and also 7 square that will be equals to 49. So the answer will be in both, in this ways only, that is 3 square or 7 square. So first we will apply here, I will apply 7 there, 127 into 7. 7 7s are 49, 7 2s are 14, 18. So you got it as 8, 8, 9. So 127, 7s are 889. So you got the remainder as 0. So what is the square root you got here? S value you got it as 67 centimeters. So what is the side of a square here? Therefore, side of a square is equals to how much you got? That is 67 centimeters. So once again see this. They have given area of a square as 4489 centimeters square. We have to find the side of a square. Side of a square, how we will find? Already we know area of a square value as s square. So s square is equals to 4489 centimeters square. If you transpose this 2 to other side, that will be in the form of square root. So s is equals to square root of 4489 centimeters square. Now we have to find the square root of this. I am applying the long division method. 6 6 are 36, 7 7s are 49. 49 is greater than 36. Sorry, 49 is greater than 44. So I am taking here 6. 6 are 36. So 44 minus 36 will be 8. Bring this whole pair down. That is 89. Now what we will do? Double this value. That is 12. So what is the last digit? 9 here. So where you will be seeing the 9 digit here? 3 square is 9 and also 7 square is 49. So the answer will be in both, in these two terms only. So I am applying 7 there. So 127, 7s are 889. So remainder will be 0. So what is the quotient place here? 67. That means side value is how much? 67 centimeters. So what you got the answer here? Side of a square is 67 centimeters. Next is fifth solution. A gardener wishes to plant 8,289 plants in a form of square and found that there were 8 plants left. After planting all the plants, how many plants are left there? 8 plants has been left in which field? That is a square field. So how many plants were planted in a row? In one row, how many plants they have planted? We have to find. So total number of plants are how many? Total number of plants are 8,289. And after planting all the plants, how many plants has been left? There are plants left. And how many? 8. How many plants are left there? There are 8. Now, how many he has planted? We have to see first. Planted plants. Planted is equals to 8,289 minus 8 because 8 plants has been left there. So, what is the answer? 8,281. So it is a square field. So in each row, how many plants they have planted? We have 8,281. In each row, how many plants they have planted, we have to find. So find the square root here. It is 8,281. So first pair the values here. So which square we can take here? 9. 9s are 81. So do subtraction here, it will be 1. Bring this 81 down. So what is the double of 9? Double of 9 is 80. So what is the value here? 181. So 181. 1s are 181. So you got the remainder as 0. So in each row, how many plants they have planted? 91 plants they have planted. So therefore, number of plants planted in each row is equals to how many? 91. So in each row they have planted how many plants? 91 plants they have planted. So once again see this total number of plants they have given as 8,289. After planting all the plants in a square field, how many plants has been left? Total 8 plants has been left. So subtract these two. That is 8,289 minus 8. That will be 8,281. So now what we have to find? We have to find in each row how many plants they have planted. So plants planted in each row is equals to square root of 8,281. Do your log division method. 9 9s are 81. 82 minus 81 is 1. Bring this whole pair down. That will be 81 here. 181. Double this 9. That will be 80. 181. 1s are 181. So this value, how I make it is by using this last digit. What is the last digit? 1. So that will be lying in 1 square is 1 and also 9 square will be 81. So last digit you got it as 1. So I am taking one value here. 181. 1s are 181. So you got it as remainder as 0. So in each row how many plants they have planted? There are 91 plants. Total 91 plants they have planted in each row. Next is eighth bit. So what is the eighth bit there? Estimate the following of the estimate the value of the following numbers to the nearest whole numbers. So they have given the one square value. That square number is near to which value we have to find here. So what is the first one? First one is root of 97. So this root of 97 is not a perfect square, but it is nearer to which value we have to find. So here what they have given? Given root of 97. So 97 will lies between, already we know the square numbers. 9 9s is 81 and 10 square is 100. So this value, this 97 will lie between 81 and 100. So 81 is less than 97, 97 is less than 100. So this 97 will lie between 81 and 100. So this is how much? 9 square is less than 10 square. So 9 is less than square root of 97 is less than 10. So this 97 is nearer to which value? 9 or 10? So it is nearer to 10 value. So what is the estimate value here? Root of 97 is. So 97 is nearer to 100 value, not 81. So 81 is more farther than this 100. So 97 is nearer to 100 value. So root of 97 is nearer to 10. So 100 is nothing but 10 square. So root of 97 will be Here 250 lies between 225. 225 is nothing but 15 square is less than here. 250 is less than 256. 256 is how much? The square root of 256 is 16. That means 225 we can write in the form of 15 square is less than 250 is less than 16 square. Now remove the squares and keep square root here. 15 is less than root of 250 is less than 16. So this 250 is nearer to which value? This value or this value? Difference between these two is more, but difference between these two is less, only 6. That means 250 is nearer to 256. In the same way, root of 250 is nearer to 16. So therefore, root of 250 is nearest to 16 value. So in the same way, last one you write as homework. Third one, root of 780 you write as homework. Next is third question. Find the least number that should be subtracted from 4000 to make it as a perfect square. So this 4000 is not a perfect square. So which number you have to subtract from this 4000 to make that as a perfect square we have to find. So here, which number they have given? They have given as 4000. So which number we have to subtract from this 4000 we have to find. So I am taking long division method. So pair the numbers first. 40. 40 means 36. 6 are 36 we can take. 6 are 36. 4. Bring this whole number down. So double this value, so it will be 12. So last digit is 0. So which value we can take here? 12. 123 3s are will check. 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. 3 1s are 3. So 124 4s are will check once. 4 4s are 16. 4 2s are 8 9. That will be 496. 496 is more than 400. So we will take here which value? 369 will take. That is 123. 3s are 369. So what is the difference here? Difference is 31. Difference is 31. So this 31 should be added for this number. This 31 should be subtracted from this number to make the result as a perfect square. Suppose here what is that? 4000 minus 31. So if you subtract 4000 from 31, so it will be 3969. So that will be equals to 3969. So this 3969 is a square number. So if you find the square root of this, how much you will get? Square root of 3969 is equals to find the square root here. 6 6 are 36. 3. Bring this whole number down. 6 square is 6 double is 12. So what is the last digit here? 9. So we can take here 3. That is 123. 3s are how much you will get? 369. So 123 3s are 369. That will be remainder 0. So what is the square root of 3969? That is equals to 63. So what we did? They have given 4000. For this 4000, how much number? Which number you have to subtract to make the result as perfect square they are asking. So I have did here long division method, that is 4000. Pair these values. 6 6 are 36. Subtract this 4. Bring this whole pair down here. So 6 double is how much? 12. So what is the last? I am taking it as 3 times. If you take 4 times, you got 496. That is more than 400. So which number I have to take? 369 I have to take. So 123. 3s are 369. So you got the remainder as 31. So this from 4000 to make it as perfect square. So which number you are subtracting? You are subtracting 31 to make